We notice drivers or riders honk more out of habit or impatience than need. Also, there are honkers who honk just because they want to honk, irrespective of necessity. Today I bring before you funny one-liner do not honk decals that are sure to catch anyone's attention. Please press subscribe button and bell icon for notifications when new video is uploaded. Without wasting time, let's start with the video. Honk all you want because I am deaf. Please honk if any beer falls out. Please don't honk at me. I also don't want to be doing what I am doing. Honk twice to race. Don't honk. Easily provoked and heavily armed. Honk if you love Jesus. Text while driving if you want to meet him. Don't honk at me. I'm sensitive. Honk if you think Carol killed her husband. Honk if you are constipated. Good people don't honk. Honk if parts fall off. Please don't honk at me. I will cry. Don't honk. It makes me drive slower. Honk if you follow stupid instructions. Honk if I left the car seat on roof again. Honk if you are a goose. Don't honk. Driver trying to sleep. Keep honking, buddy. I'm reloading. Honk if you think I'm sexy. Honk if you are illiterate. Honk if you don't exist. Honk if you look like this. Honk if your phone is broken. Honk if I am on fire.